Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today, we will use Excel to carry out simple calculations. We will use plus, minus, times, divide. Instead typing the numbers like with the calculator, we select the gray cell, we start with equal, select the first blue cell, type on plus, select the second blue cell and finish the formula pressing enter. Again, equal, first blue cell, plus, second blue cell, enter. For the next two rows, we will use minus. Equal, first blue cell, minus, second blue cell, enter. Now we will use times. Equal, first blue cell, times, second blue cell, enter. Again. Equal, first blue cell, times, second blue cell, enter. Then, divide. Equal, first blue cell, divide, second blue cell, enter. Equal, first cell, divide, second cell, enter. Now, let's do the total. Click on the cell, use AutoSum, select the series of numbers, and press enter. In the next task, we will work with 3 numbers instead 2. We will follow the same process. Equal, first cell, plus second cell, plus third cell, enter. Again, equal, first cell, plus second cell, plus third cell, enter. Equal, first cell, minus second cell, minus third cell, enter. Again, equal, first cell, minus second cell, minus third cell, enter. Times now. Equal, first cell, times second cell, times third cell, enter. Again, equal, first cell, times second cell, times third cell, enter. Divide now. Equal, first cell, divide second cell, divide third cell, enter. Again. Equal, first cell, divide second cell, divide third cell, enter. The total again now. AutoSum, select the cells, enter. At last, we will link the 2 green cells with the 2 totals. We click on the first green cell, equal, click on the first total, enter. Second green cell, equal, second total, enter. There you go. Save your work and well done. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.